Hello everyone, in this tutorial I will be teaching you how to download no copyright music from YouTube to your device. So first you want to search up a music that you want to download, which I've done so already. So here you see the music that I want to download. So then the next thing you want to do is to copy the link address. To do that, you can either click on the share button here and then click on the copy link button at the bottom left corner, or you can just click on the link at the top of the page and then just click on this same button with the same icon. It's going to copy your link as well. Alright, so now you've searched up the music and you've copied the link address. The next thing you want to do is go to a new Google page and then search up YouTube to MP3. And then this first link here with the address YTMP3, it's the one I usually use and I think it's pretty good. I will link this to the bottom of my YouTube video so you guys can access it from there. So now once you're in this page, you want to paste the link in and then click on convert, and then you can click on download. So yeah, you just saw that. Sometimes when you click on download, usually the first time, when you click on download, it's going to have a pop-up page, but you don't really need to worry about it. You just remember to close that page and do not click on anything in the pop-up page. I've been using this website to download my music for a long time already, and nothing bad or any trouble, no trouble has occurred on my device. So I think it's pretty good. You don't really need to worry about the pop-up, just remember to close it. So now I have downloaded the music. So how will you be able to access the music on your device? So you want to go to your home screen, and I am on a Samsung phone, and I have this file called My Files with the icon, with the file icon. If you're on an Android phone, you should have something similar to this, but it will be a little different with iPhone users. But right here, I will just show how you would access it on an Android phone. So just click it, and then you go to audio, and then go to download, and then yeah, here is the music that I just downloaded.